Hey guys, Ripper Productions here, and I'm finally working on my Ford Ranger. This is the first video that I'll actually be doing something with it, not just showcasing it. So, I was starting to take off my hood with my friend I got here.
Sup, guys?
He's got a YouTube channel too.
It's Santa Creeper. It's hard to find. It's the one that has like a little Minecraft guy.
Yes.
It looks like a creeper and a Santa mixed. It's funny.
Okay, so we already took it off, and I just remembered I wanted to take it off videoing it. So,
messed up.
Yeah, we messed up. Sorry, my bad. So we got it off, and we're gonna get this hood onto it right now.
You won't actually lift this up soon.
So I'll try one hand. You can stabilize it.
Yeah. You wanna go this way?
Yeah.
Okay. It's kind of hard. It's not that heavy.
No, I got one hand right here.
I can one hand.
Oh, feel the burn.
Feel the burn.
Okay,
Girls.
let's just set it down here, and then I'll use two hands to stabilize it.
Sorry if that made a dent. That was an accident.
That's not bad.
Not bad.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're back. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties.
Yeah, we think we got them all right now.
Yeah.
As much as we can tell, because we just threw them in there.
Okay. So, I forgot to tell you in the first segment that I finally got my lights mounted. Parkour.
Parkour. Shorty.
Okay, so yeah, I got them mounted, and then me and my dad worked on the wiring, and we got them all wired up, and they worked perfectly. Brian, you want to go turn them on? Then there's a switch just down low below the dash.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that switch. Oh jeez.
Yeah.
I just saw you like, oh crap.
Those are bright. Yeah, don't look at them with your eyes; they hurt.
That's not bad. I've had pure LDAs in my eyes. I got right in the middle.
Yep.
The full blast of those two together. Oh,
Yeah, so those are good lights. I like them. I got them off of Amazon for only like $25.
wow, that's a nice deal.
Yeah, wasn't it? So anyway, let's get the time lapse going of us fixing everything.
Putting everything back on.
Yeah. Really.
Oh wait! Don't forget, we found something. I found this.
Yeah.
So this hole.
This is kind of a bad thing. This is kind of an antifreeze leak. I've had a previous antifreeze leak, and we were trying to find it, but we could never find it, and we finally found it.
Yeah, I found it. It was leaking, and we're like, where is that coming from?
Yeah, it was a bad leak.
Yeah.
We went over there to go grab this new hood right here, and I saw it on the ground leaking, and I'm like, crap, that's not good.
Yeah. It's like, that's not good. And I was like, and he was looking, we popped it, and you were looking like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? And he was all over this radiator.
Yeah.
And he went over to do some looking under to see how bad it was leaking. I went over, and right around, can you move it? Right around there was where it was leaking. Well, dripping off to get on that. So that's where I saw it. So I told him.
Yeah. All right. Well,
We'll
start
be fixing
time
that
lapse
too.
now.
All right, let's do this.
Here we go. Okay, guys, we're back. We got the new hood on. As you see, he's raising it up right there. It looks pretty good. It's nice. Now we're fixing the
We've got the
leak.
scissors, dude. We've got scissors
Well,
to cut that out.
we'll do that at the house. I don't need to see that. It's just scissors cutting that, okay?
Yeah. All right.
So we're just gonna duct tape this up. I'll go grab some rags. So
Yeah. Go grab some racks so we can.
film for a little bit.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. Fingers were just swapping, right, man? So, this hole. Oh wow, dude. That's lower. Huh? Yeah. Never mind. Never mind. I just realized with the light, it looks lower than it actually is.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, well, it looks lower. No, it was the same as when we brought it over here. So, that scared the crap out of me. Engine's still warm.
Yeah, it stays warm.
You know it's a good truck when this part of the engine stays warm. Or vehicle, any vehicle, really. I'm not saying it just has to be a truck. Oh, that feels good. Yeah, we had to go check some cows. Right?
Yeah.
Check some cows to get the duct tape.
So
Right
I
here.
think I might have something here to drain it off a little more.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna need a little more. Do 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 do. You come out with your pillow. We're playing Jeopardy, guys. Can't you tell?
Okay, that looks dry enough.
Oh yeah, that should be good.
Okay, we're
Duct tape.
Duct tape.
Duct tape.
We kind of need scissors, but okay.
Crap. I don't have a pocket knife on me.
We're
either.
good. We're good. We're good.
You think you can rip it?
Yeah.
You got teeth. Use them. Do not do that. Actually, that could be bad.
Okay.
So we're gonna check this probably tomorrow after we go screwing around
Yes.
in this truck, and we'll see if we for surely got the leak.
Okay, so that's not sticking.
We
We'll
gotta dry it
need
off more.
to.
Here, let me give you some light on that subject.
Let me just rip that bad piece off.
I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm like sitting right here making a lot of sound effects, but he was
It's
shaking. He was shaking that tape off. He's like, I see it out of the corner of my eye go flying. Right, so that's what exactly we believe, right? That's what I believe.
Yes.
Because that, if you can see all that moisture down there, that's from the antifreeze.
Yep, that right there, right down there.
Yeah. And over on this, here, let me flip around on this hood. When we brought it over here, popped it up, that top of the hood, on the other side of the hood was covered, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. It was all over. Okay, that should stick now. Wiped it off a little more.
Oh yeah, you should try it now. If that doesn't work, it doesn't look like there's much moisture on it. It's not my house. I know what every noise is. Thunk. Oh, don't care right now.
Okay, get that warmed up. A good tip for tape, if you warm up the tape with your hand, it'll bond better. In the cold, anyway.
That's what he said. Not me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't warm up my tape. I just smack it on there and hope it stays.
Bam! Stay! Stay, doggy. Good doggy.
Yeah, at least we don't have the crush dog. I love
Yeah.
that name. Yeah. Was that your profile video with her? Was that one of your profiles with that dog, crutch dog in
I
it?
don't think so.
No. That's something. That's on. That's something else. I'm thinking of another one. Yeah, he has a dog. They nicknamed it Crotch Dog because it stands in the middle between your legs when you're standing there.
Yeah.
Just to get pets.
Yep, exactly. That's our dog.
It's funny. It's funny when somebody that doesn't know
Okay,
it stands in.
hold this real quick.
All right, I got this. Doesn't know about the Crotch Dog, isn't
You
it?
have screwed up.
I was holding it. Oh well.
I don't know why it's not sticking. Why you no stick?
Why you no stick, man?
Okay,
Why?
gotta tear that piece off.
We'll see if he does the flip thing again. There he goes. Oh, there he goes. Sorry. There goes the end. It's not coming off easy.
Come on.
There it goes.
There it goes.
It's all the way over there, guys. You didn't see that.
Okay, why would you stick?
Why would you dick? Is it moist?
Okay, if I get my hands straight. I'm a mechanic, man.
Yeah, when you know you're at a mechanic's house, look at my hand. That was
It's
clean. That was clean. I'm a whiter person than him. I'm the whitest, actually. I think I am the
Okay.
whitest out of the class, I think.
Well, you know, stay.
Out of everybody I know, I think I'm the whitest person I've met.
You've
Well-
met. You haven't met yourself yet?
Yeah, I haven't met myself, man.
Oh, poor you.
I haven't even seen my reflection. Just messing, I have. Okay, we should be comedians.
Yes.
There are some
mean-
jokes. Yeah?
We were gonna make this joke, like, so see this bolt, we were putting this bolt on, probably seeing the time lapse we were gonna put in, but we were putting in this bolt and I kept dropping the thing, and then I make this joke and I'm like, when you forget your ratchet at home, and then you gotta use the wrench, dang it, go get the wrench.
Don't give me the right, or give me the drill. Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, it's more like it.
Yeah, I got it. As the whole bolt is just torn up.
Okay, I'm gonna hold this on here. Now you just put them down for a second. I don't care what they see. Just put them down and then rip that off.
You're gonna look at the radiator.
Yeah, radiator. Woo! Radiator view.
Radiator Springs.
Yeah, I love that show when I'm doing it.
Ah.
That was the best show ever.
This Gorilla Tape is good.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
Hey, we got it, guys.
Pulling off fingernails.
Okay, now I need another piece right here. Just make sure it keeps on. Let me just wipe this off, wipe this off, wipe this off, wipe this off. Okay, now we need a glove.
I had you to duct tape. No. We need the glove first, man. This is a foolproof cleaning tool.
Oh,
the
yeah, there we
glove.
go.
The glove
Then
is
you
a
use the
foolproof.
thumb. That's good. And you pull it this way. And then you use a little bit of the elbow. That's nice, yeah.
My fingers don't even go in the camera shot when I'm holding it like that. That's pretty funny. This has gone 8 minutes and 22 seconds.
Wow, 8 minutes. It's gonna be a long video.
Yeah, but a long night, guys. Drunk. Here he goes again.
Yeah.
We should totally get Jeopardy.
Yeah.
You know, what were we doing earlier? So we're on hay bales. Like, you know that show, American Ninja Warrior? Yeah. This is American Ninja Balers. The redneck version.
Rednecks!
And this is a redneck-proof design of repair, right?
Duct tape!
Duct tape fixes everything but a broken heart,
Yep.
according to some people.
Most
Most people. Unless
most rednecks, at least.
most redneck.
Okay, we're good. We got around there.
That's right where the hole is, right
Yeah, right there. That's a big hole.
there.
All right.
That's
All
gone
right,
10 minutes, dude.
Okay, that's a while. Okay, back to the top here, guys. Okay, so let me just run over the engine real quick because in the past video, not very good. Okay, so Bry's warming his hands over there on the intake manifold.
It's a 2.9 liter according to that.
1.9 liter. Yep.
On that,
All
guys.
right, so we got this fixed. The washer fluid. Don't really need that. Got this patched. That's all good. That should be good. The radiator. We might need to put a little bit more antifreeze in it later. That's good. We got the battery. Yeah, we need to clean the battery cables. It's kind of bad.
Yeah, that's bad.
And I also need kind of strap because it's kind of not really held in that well. Anyway, I need a lot of stuff. You guys already know.
He'll get it in the future.
Yeah, I need a oil cap.
Because
Right
this
there.
is what he's using.
Yeah, that's bad. That's bad.
It works, but gosh dang it, my coat.
Pretty cool.
My coat was touching a weed, and I was like,
Alright.
what's behind me?
The air filter right there, that's clean. I had to pull a mouse nest out of that thing. Yep, that's pretty much what it was.
Those things get
Yep.
big though.
Yeah, they can. Anyway, so yeah, we got it all fixed up. Now I just need to cut this off with the scissors. I think we're good otherwise. So
He needs to shut his door if you guys can see.
yes.
Yeah! His door's
Dang it.
hanging open. Now.
Got it. Okay.
Alright.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. This is my video. Very comical, I see.
With me here, anybody
Yes.
else, it's not very comical.
So make sure you check his YouTube channel out.
Santa Creeper, guys, and with the Minecraft looking guy. Not like edited, just looks like a Minecraft Santa Creeper. It's like
Yep.
going like this. Literally, that's what it looks like. That's funny.
Yep.
I think I might change that up a little.
Space.
Space.
All right.
Space, baby. I don't know what I was thinking there.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, that cat. That's that cat over there.
Oh, there's that cat.
Hi.
That cat's a very smart cat.
Yes. All right, guys. That's the video for this week. I will see you all next week. See ya.